Alrighty guys, if you guys want to learn to make this, stay tuned. Alright guys, so for this recipe, I'm gonna use a bag of these vegetables. I had some carne molida, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna season it with this and some adobo. And I'm gonna go ahead and grill this first with before I add the meat, just to give it flavor. And I'm gonna add some pepper, guys. I forgot to get the pepper. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna fry this because you know we don't like to be chewing on the onion. So just to get some flavor in there, I just go ahead and fry this first before I put the meat. But if you guys like it, you guys can add garlic and onion in your meat, like in little pieces, you know. You guys like onion. Us, we don't like it, so this is how I do it. I'm boiling some white rice. I'm gonna add some white rice on the side. All right, guys, I went on and removed the onion and garlic. I added the meat. I'm gonna add some adobo to it. And have it in like low medium heat, guys. And I'm just doing this recipe because I'm just adding like stuff because this is my leftovers. I haven't gone to the market. It's gonna be for 2 weeks, so I'm using what I have, guys. So this is a little recipe that I just kind of came to my mind. I've been seeing recipes with this, but I'm just gonna do it out of what I have right now. So let's see how it comes out, guys. I'm gonna add some of this. I'm gonna add like 1 spoon in there. Add about one spoon. And I'm gonna add pepper. Cover it. It cooks better if you cover it and start mixing it like little by little. A little bit of the tomato sauce. I'm gonna see how it tastes with that, guys. So let's see. Which is 3.5 servings, a small can. I added half. This is how it's looking, guys. I'm gonna make sure it cooks a little better before I add the veggies. Okay, so it looks like it's being ready. The meat is so tasty. So I'm gonna add some of this. I don't know, I think like half a bag. So I added half of it, half of the bag, and we're gonna let it cook with the veggies. It's cooking. I want to leave them like less than 10 minutes, maybe like 7-8 minutes to cook. But don't forget to hit the like button, guys, if you guys enjoy our videos. And we also do Dollar Tree hauls, 99-cent hauls, some vlogs from Sammy. You guys enjoy my little girl. She loves the camera, so, and then the little things here and there we do. But don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you guys enjoy. Alright, guys, so it looks like it's ready. It's yummy, guys. Came out delicious. Yummy, 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 yummy. Alright, guys, so there it is. My invention. I mixed certain things on it, so if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the meal, guys. Bye, guys.